This land has grown peanuts for generations. Healthy soil creates perfect peanuts.
These pods are nearly ready to harvest. Color and firmness tell us the flavor is right.
Consistent water keeps peanuts plump.
Tilled fields prepare for the next harvest. One day too soon or too late, and the flavor drops.
Every pod counts for quality peanut butter. Ready to move to the factory now. No debris can enter the production line.
Natural drying intensifies flavor.
Only top-grade peanuts proceed to processing.
3 tons per delivery every day.
Handle with care. These peanuts are premium grade.
Temperature must stay consistent all the way.
Every shipment is monitored in real time.
No contamination can occur en route.
Unload gently. These peanuts are our pride.
Synchronize with conveyor speed.
Let's make sure no bag tips over.
Exact weight ensures recipe consistency.
Size and color check, no exceptions.
Ready for the high-speed cleaning line.
All dust must be removed before roasting.
Uniformity ensures consistent grinding later.
Safety first. Zero contamination. Zero contamination.
Rinse until water runs clear.
Moisture control is critical for the crunch.
Large peanuts create that signature crunch.
No discoloration, no cracks, only top quality goes forward.
Flaws detected instantly by the system.
Everything must be flawless before roasting.
Storage preserves quality until processing.
All sensors green, Blugment, moving to next stage.
Samples checked for oil content and crunch factor.
Only premium nuts make the cut.
Next step, roasting for aroma and crunch.
Clean, sorted, ready for roasting.
Temperature set to exact 180 degrees Celsius for perfect roast.
Watch how the color changes evenly.
Any deviation affects crunch and aroma.
Golden, unibrown, uniform texture, perfect.
Careful handling preserves aroma. Texture and sheen indicate readiness for grinding.
Next step, transforming peanuts into creamy butter.
Coarse texture is essential for crunchy butter.
Even particle size ensures ideal crunch.
Balance flavor and consistency perfectly.
Check oil separation, crunch, and aroma.
All lines sanitized before filling.
Each jar gets the perfect amount. No spills, no waste.
From raw peanuts to creamy perfection.
Every jar must be perfectly aligned before labeling.
Fresh Rollier, ready for 5,000 jars.
No wrinkles, no misprints, clean and centered.
Laser ensures every label is within 0.5 millimeter tolerance.
This code tracks farm to jar history.
Safety seal activated. Seen. No jar leaves without it.
We check for bubbles or gaps. Annie, quality first.
Rejecting any jar under or over the limit.
Only perfect jars move forward.
Only sanitized environment beyond this door.
Carton load perfect. No manual touch needed.
Traceability helps recall and tracking instantly.
Robot handles 1,200 boxes per hour.
Stable wrap ensures safe transport nationwide.
This batch heads to U.S. supermarkets tomorrow.
Secure all pallets met with door. Prevent shifting during transit.
Double check straps. Hang on, nothing moves on the road.
Each truck monitored in real time across states.
Maintaining consistent speed and temperature. Unload with caution. These are premium batches.
Maintain humidity and temperature precisely.
Scan complete, Hanin. Location logged in system.
Even after packaging, quality is verified.
All All trucks ready for same-day dispatch.
Next stop, store shelves nationwide.
Optimal temperature preserves texture and flavor.
Fastest and safest route selected automatically.
Unload carefully, Troy. Premium product ahead.
Shipment complete and verified.
From farm to factory to distribution, at Yulin, perfect peanut butter journey.
Welcome to our premium peanut butter display.
Perfect alignment highlights our brand.
Creamy, crunchy, perfect on breakfast toast.
Every bite tells the story of quality peanuts.
Try it today. TJ, the best peanut butter ever. Hit subscribe and join our peanut butter fans.
Like if you love premium peanut butter.
Thank you for helping us reach 1 million views.
Every jar placed perfectly for display. Take it home for your family today.
Creamy, crunchy, and utterly delicious.
Our secret? Farm to factory freshness in every jar.
Don't miss our next factory journey. Subscribe now.
Thanks to our viewers for supporting premium peanut butter.
Thanks to our viewers for supporting premium peanut butter.
Thank you for watching Farm to Factory.